What's up, guys? Here's a little update on our social media status. I know a lot of you have been wondering, so yeah, let's get into it.
Welcome back.
So a lot of you guys know, and if you don't know, we were deleted off Facebook and Instagram. And honestly, after 10 years of just building up that Instagram to where it was, we had thousands and thousands of customers that would message us every single day, whether it was from ordering a sprocket guard to ordering a trike kit that's on the other side of the world, really. It's kind of a bummer, but I hope I can get you guys on my new page. If you go on Instagram, you can go to just BVC TRIKES. Just put that into the search. I'm going to put up a clip right here. There has been some spam accounts many times. Thank God for YouTube. I mean, this thing's up to just under 50. I'm really proud of that, and it's because of you guys, and all these pages are because of you guys. So right now, I still can't answer any messages on Facebook business. So any of the Facebook pages that we have for BVC Off-Road or BVC Trikes, I'm not even on there. I can't even get on there. All of our accounts are locked out for some reason. Still trying to figure it out with them. I think we were hacked. It looks like we were hacked. We thought it was because of a flag. It could have been. Looks to me like we're hacked. So a lot of research I've done, and we've sent messages back and forth to Facebook. They're actually working on a ticket right now that we started like a week ago, and I was told we'd be within 7 days we'd have something figured out. It's been a little longer than that, so we'll see where that ends up. But anyway, guys, another way to contact us is basically on TikTok. So that page is blowing up like crazy. Tons and tons of views on there. Everything's been going really good on there. And I'm gonna put another video of that too in here so you guys can see what that looks like. And again, just to make sure you guys know you're on my real page. So another cool thing we're doing, we have a mobile app coming, and you're gonna be able to connect directly with this guy right here, because actually all of us really, every one of my employees is gonna have an account on our website, and this is gonna be under bvcracing.com, so you guys can actually go sign up right now. And super pumped because in about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, we're gonna have an app, so you can go right to the App Store and download it. But for right now, we're taking signups at bvcracing.com. So we basically started our own social media website. It's got a live feed just like Facebook. It's got different groups. We can have our users and our subscribers basically build groups if they want to do like a separate group, or they can use the ones I already put on the website. But definitely check it out. It's how we're going to do all of our giveaways. It's just one of those things where for us to track the giveaways, we really got to have it on our own database, and I got to be able to just mass email everybody really fast. So when we hit 50K, we've talked about giving a trike kit away. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have you guys literally just sign up on my website. So I have your correct info. I have anything I need to just basically contact you guys when somebody wins some product from us. So that's going to be freaking badass. So I'm going to put a video into that right now, and we're going to go over what that looks like. Guys, got my wife here. She's pulling up the new website. So I'm going to flip the camera around, and I'm going to show you guys what our new website's all about. It's pretty cool. When you go to bvcracing.com, you're actually going to come up to a login screen. Don't be scared. You guys can sign up. And you literally can't see our website unless you log in. So we've got some updates going on here. Basically, we have a live news feed of whatever you want to post on here. So it's literally set up just like Facebook, and pretty badass. So we're really excited to work on getting this software running properly. You guys can see I'm going to be putting updates on here and everything. Got a list of members here, so every time someone signs up. So can you scroll up to the top corner just so we can see the groups? Yeah, so we got a group page here. Go to riding and racing. Let's click that. Yeah, so we're gonna have different groups on here, guys. You can basically go to the feed right here. Yeah, so you can see I put a post up right there. Yeah, this is literally how we're gonna keep track of giveaways. It's the only way we can really do it, because we can't control every single person on all the other platforms. And if we have everybody's correct info on here, you just click members right there. So we got a list of members. So that's how we're gonna have to and literally track all the giveaways that we are doing in terms of when we start giving away trike kits, parts, anything that's expensive, maybe like a complete build or something like that. For now, we're still gonna do the t-shirt giveaways through YouTube and just select the random comments. I think that's been working great. But I want your guys' feedback of what you think of that. And again, check out the website because there's gonna be so much content on here coming. When are we getting that out? You said like what, week and a half, 2 weeks?
By the end of September, they said.
Okay, so yeah, we got some guys working on an app right now for us, and again, it's gonna be right on your phone. Notifications, you're gonna have private messenger. So can you pull that up real quick? Maybe on like my page or your page. I'll flip the camera around again, guys. Yeah, just go to your profile. You can click timeline. I know you were posting some funny stuff on there. I won't get into what you posted, but I think that's just you liking everything, right? Yeah, so it's just like
connections, groups.
Yeah, photos. So you can follow people on here. You can see she's following 4 people. She's got 2 followers, and then
I follow 1 group.
How do you message on here? Direct message.
Oh, so if you go to, like, let's say I was friends with.
Yep, so if
like
you want to send me a message.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can just send me a message. Just go ahead and type me a message, just say hi. Cool, so like right there, I'm gonna get that notification on my phone. So anytime we need to directly contact somebody, we can do it right through our website. Click the groups page on the top again, so they can actually see like the breakdown of what we got here. Man, the internet is slow today. Yeah, so we got riding and racing, trike builders, for sale wanted, dirt bike builds, big wheel builds, quad builds, and UTV builds. There's gonna be many more added on here. And again, guys, this isn't just for me posting what I'm building. I want you guys to get on here. If you got a project, you need some tech help, I mean, anything like that. I don't care if it's a 400EX, a blaster, like whatever you got. Get on the site, put some comments and questions up. All my guys, like literally every employee we have, they're gonna have an account on there, and we're checking this like literally all day. So we'll step in, answer questions, try to help you guys out when we can, because we really appreciate you guys watching our YouTube channel, and we really definitely appreciate you guys signing up on our website. And again, that's gonna help us with the giveaways. It's gonna help build the email list and help us contact you guys directly on our own platform. This is never gonna go anywhere. We can say what we want, hang whatever flag we want, all that fun stuff, and talk about the C word. And that's great, So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put all the links on here, but yeah, if you go to Instagram, hit up BVC Trikes and BVC Quads, just give us a follow. We're up to 80,000 on there, and I'd really appreciate just your guys' help getting that built back up. And yeah, we're gonna have TikTok and all the fun stuff. Of course, our website at bvcracing.com.
So once you do sign up,
yep,
you can see the main feed.
Yep.
So you're on Drew's profile.
Here, let me turn the phone around.
So log in, set up an account. So you go to Drew's profile. If you want to follow him, follow him.
It's awesome.
So,
and again, this is going to be on a mobile app. So go to our Instagram, if you don't mind, the new one, the BVC Trikes one. Okay, so sadly 358 followers, but yeah, so just search BVC Trikes. We're getting everything on there again, so my phone is glitching. There we go. Zoom wasn't working. Yeah, so can you pull up TikTok also? Love connecting with you guys. Love showing you all the builds. TikTok, man, it's been on fire lately. Got like 10,000 followers in a week on there. Just a couple videos.
I can pull it up for this.
Should be BVC Off-Road Com.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yep, BVC Off-Road Com is the TikTok.
There it is. There you go, TikTok. 39,000 followers.
Yep, should hit 40 today. Tons of videos, just scroll down.
500,000 likes, you're doing pretty good for yourself.
Not bad, we started working on this a couple months ago.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so BVC Off-Road Com for TikTok. Oh man, it will not focus. There we go. BVC Off-Road Com for TikTok, and BVC Trikes on Instagram. So guys, we really appreciate you following us, and again, join our website. You can talk to this guy and I directly. I'm not saying we're always going to reply to the private messenger, but if you go on the group page and just comment something and you have a question about putting a bike together, our products, or maybe one of your builds, anything you need help with, hit us up, post on our website. That's going to be the only place I'm going to honestly be able to do it on. All the other platforms is tough to keep track of all that stuff. So hope to see you guys on the website. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for, I guess, the release of our app. That's going to be freaking badass. And again, there's going to be giveaways, freebies, how-to videos, all kinds of crazy stuff coming on that app. So it's going to be sweet. So talk to you guys later.